Hi. If you need to set an auto reply in Gmail, then this video will help you a lot. Go to Gmail. Come to this gear icon. Go to See All Settings. Scroll down and come to Vacation Reminder. Tick Vacation Reminder on to activate Gmail Auto Reply. Here you can write subject. I am writing mine. Then the text one will get when the message you. I have written this, now just copy and paste. At the bottom, writing my name. If you want, you can also tick on last day. But that's optional. When you are all okay, click on Save Changes. Now, anyone who will send you message will get the auto reply instantly by Gmail. When you do not need this anymore, simply go to Settings and finish it or click End Now on the top. So, this is how you can simply add auto reply on Gmail and use this feature for the ease of your access. Hope you found this useful. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.